In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello workspace. If you're ready to organize your tasks or manage your projects more efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, making sure everything is crystal clear so you can seamlessly set up your Trello workspace. To start off, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Trello homepage. Look to the top right corner where you will find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This step will take you to the login page where you can sign in to your Trello account. If you prefer using Google credentials for convenience and security, click on the Google button, then select the account you'd like to use. If you haven't already signed in, you might be prompted to enter your Google password. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention again to the top right corner of your screen, where you should see your profile photo or initials. Click on your profile icon. This action will open a drop-down menu where you'll find several options concerning your account. For today, we're focusing on creating a new workspace, so look for the Create Workspace option and click it. After selecting to create a new workspace, you'll be guided to a page where the setup begins. Here, you will be prompted to enter a workspace name. Think about what this workspace will be used for and choose a name that reflects its purpose. This could be as straightforward as Marketing Team or Project A Management. Once you've chosen a name, the next thing to decide is the type of workspace you're setting up. Trello provides a few options such as Home, Small Business, or Enterprise. Pick the one that best matches the primary function of your workspace. This selection is more for your reference and won't limit your functionality, so go with what feels most appropriate. You're nearly there. Next, you have the opportunity to enter a brief description of the workspace. This can include objectives, what kind of tasks or projects you'll be managing, or even who the team members might be. This description is vital as it provides context for anyone else who might be navigating the workspace. Finally, after you've filled out all these details, go ahead and click on the Continue button. This will save everything you've entered, effectively creating your new Trello workspace. And that's it, congratulations. You've now successfully set up a Trello workspace, ready to help streamline your projects and manage your tasks more effectively. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing your to-dos, Trello makes it easy and intuitive. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.